Just hi everyone. Hello everyone. Again, this is Mutual Fund Basics Part 2 by BrianVillarosa.com. For more information, you can go to my website for more tips and advice as a Sun Life financial advisor. So we are now on the Part 2. Let's continue our study on the basics of mutual funds. So how much is the minimum investment? So before I thought it's 5,000, but right now when I checked, it even went lower to 100 peso. 100 peso and Sun Life Prosperity Money Market Fund. I'm a really proud Sun Life advisor here. But in the equity funds or the more aggressive ones, the minimum is 1,000 pesos. All right. So, how to start? Well, you can start by having a called financial account and go to the mutual fund tab. Right. So, how do I earn from mutual funds? The answer is very simple. NAV PS. The moment you buy NAV PS and the moment you sell, if there's a difference, if there's a positive difference, then you gain. If the NAV PS is lower when you sell it, then you lost. So, but there's a note here that uh, you may also earn money through dividend payouts from the mutual fund itself. So there are dividends, meaning in the time to time, the mutual fund company, the investment company will send you the dividends from the investment. So the bigger your investment, the bigger dividends you may have. And then what are the fees involved? So just three simple statements here. Number one is front end loads. Every time na bibili kayo, there's a front end load charge upon subscribing or buying shares. And number two is early redemption. So if you sell or redeem your fund before the holding period, then may charge po yan. So there's a percentage here stated. The maximum, I guess, is 180 days or 369 for 6 months holding period. So this is to encourage you to be a long-term investor. The management fee. So this is already computed in the NAPS. Remember the computation we had at part 1. Lahat po ng pooled funds, we subtract the liabilities such as the management fee of the mutual fund advisor. How are investors in mutual funds protected? So under SEC, every rules and every management has to report. SEC are allowed to redeem funds. Mutual fund is required to register the SEC, and the money is placed in a custodian bank. Next is PDIC. Hindi po tayo insured ng insurance company. So that's why as a Sun Life advisor din po, we encourage our clients to first insure themselves first. Kumuha muna ng health insurance at life insurance kasi investments, when something happens to you, mawawala rin lahat ng investments mo. If magkasakit ka, diagnosed ka, all those investments will be gone. But if you are insured first, then whatever happens to you, to your health, the insurance might help, right? Especially your family, when you're gone, your family will still be there. If mutual funds lang, investment lang, that's all the money that they get. But insurance, then there's a bigger amount, especially the face amount. What is the maturity period of mutual funds? They do not have a specific maturity period. As a rule of thumb, it's a holding period usually favors. Again, this is investment. So investment, it's really more on the timing as well as the long-term horizon. Can I liquidate my investment anytime? Yes, for sure. You may redeem investment, but if you redeem it before the holding period, again, there's a charge for that. How are mutual funds? That's why, again, before proceeding, it's better to identify first kailan mo kailangan yung money na yan. How are mutual funds being managed? Mutual funds are generally managed by a registered investment company advisor based on specified investment object of the fund. Right? Fund managers, sabi natin, are working as investment advisors of fully discretion and freedom to select security composition of fund with the regulations of the SEC. So, meron po silang regulation, binabatan po silang SEC, para po din po sa protection ng mga investors. What is the difference between a mutual fund and a unit investment trust fund? So, to make it short, mutual funds is of an investment company, UITF is of a bank. right? And both are not protected by the PDIC, NAVPS, NAVPU, SEC yung regulator, at BSP naman sa UITF. What are the taxes? Surprisingly, wala pong tax sa mutual fund because the government decided to for zero tax for this so that we will be encouraged to save more and invest more. Again, thank you very much. This is Brian Villarosa for the Mutual Fund Basics. For more information, feel free to go to my website for more tips and tools. And this is Mutual Fund for Beginners tutorial video. Thank you very much. God bless. Matthew 6:33. God bless.